I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials: character skins with smiling expressions, short animation cycles, and short cheerful sound cues. Place warm lighting and soft shadows to set mood quickly. This matters for perceived happiness. Once done, make sure you have trigger objects like music blocks or food to prompt reactions. Don't waste time on complex scripting yet. Position assets now so you can iterate visually and hear responses as you test. This speeds the creative feedback loop. You now wire animations to behavior. Assign idle smile, laugh, clap, and small jump to clear triggers. Use proximity for immediate reactions, item use for intentional joy, and timed loops for background cheer. Blend animations with short crossfades so movements look natural. Too sharp cuts break the illusion. Once linked, test each trigger and note timing mismatches. Make sure voice or chime cues align within 1/3 of a second. Synchrony sells emotional intent and keeps the cast believable. Finish by polishing timing, volume balance, and environmental cues so the cast consistently reads as happy. Play full sequences several times and tweak delays. Reduce long waits, trim excessive loops, and lower competing sounds. If things go wrong, isolate a single trigger and log its state while testing. This helps reveal overlapping triggers, animation lockups, or missing sound calls. Once resolved, rerun the scene to confirm the emotional arc lands. Your audience should instantly recognize and respond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.